Hello and welcome to my channel. First of all, apologies for this very late video. I have noticed that my last video was uploaded in April. Since then, I have been very busy creating an ebook about how to run a successful craft stall at a craft fair, which is now available on my website via Payhip. And I have also been busy creating a lino cutting course for beginners. It's almost finished and I still need to upload it. So probably next month I will announce the launch. I have also started a new part-time job with the Children's Cancer Charity, which means that I have less time for my videos and my business. Anyway, in this video I want to share my acrylic pour tile collection. Earlier this year I was busy with acrylic paint pouring and created a video on my pouring experience. When I poured on my small canvases I always ended up with extra paints and didn't want them to go to waste. So I ended up using them on these tiles. I actually had more tiles, but they were damaged by not storing them correctly. These 7 tiles all have a cork backing and are signed with my initials. I didn't want the signature to distract from the paintings, and I also wanted to give the buyer the opportunity to choose which direction to display the tiles. Most of these were created using the flip cup technique. While this one was created using the swipe technique. All tiles are now available on my website. The link to the collection is in the description. And that's it for now. I got to work on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.